I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my IPSY bag for the month of September. How cute is this bag with the little eyelashes on it? I love it. This is one of my favorites that I think we've gotten in a while. Okay, so actually in the bag this month, the first thing that I have is from Elizabeth Mott. I really do like Elizabeth Mott. They're cruelty-free and the products are always really great. This is a face primer, and this one is one of those, it's a lot like the Professional where it's a thick, silicone-y, pore-filling type of a primer. So if you like that sort of a thing, this would be a great option for you. Personally, they're not my favorite, but I did use it today, like on this area of my face, and it works. It definitely works. I'll give it that. I don't know. It's just not my favorite type of primer. Mostly I go for like moisturizing type of primers, but who knows, maybe I'll start using these. And then the next thing is from Benefit. This is a little sample of Hoola Bronzer. Not only do I already have like 3 other Hoola bronzers, but Benefit is not cruelty free, so this will be going into my giveaway pile. I keep talking about my giveaway pile and I keep meaning to do a giveaway, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because I will eventually do that giveaway where I give away all of the samples that I know I won't use, either because I have duplicates or whatever reason I know I won't use it. I give it back to you guys as a thank you for hanging out with me and watching my videos. Okay, moving on. So the next product is from a company called HAYADI. I don't know, you guys. This is a weightless smoothing cream. I had never heard of this company before, and I honestly don't know if it's cruelty-free. I did a quick Google search and couldn't find anything, so I'm not sure. I did use it in my hair today, and it has a pretty strong scent. It doesn't smell bad, it's just strong. And I used it as like, because it's a smoothing cream, I used it more for like my flyaways. My hair around these parts gets really fuzzy. So I used it on my hair, and it does work nicely, absolutely. They recommend on the IPSY website putting it in your damp hair and then braiding your hair, and then when you take your hair out, you'll have, you know, beachy waves, and then if you can smooth any flyaways with this. And I haven't tried that, so I don't know, maybe that would work for you. My hair tends to not dry when I put it in braids for like 3 days. If my hair's been in braids for 3 days, then I'll get those wonderful braidy waves, but I can't do the like, you know, 20-minute thing or whatever. So anyway, moving on. This is a little, like the cutie patootiest little eyeshadow thing from IBY Beauty, and this is Fire and Ice. And it's just a super, super dupes lovely eyeshadow. You can see, it looks like it's gonna be sort of a teal shimmery color with a brownish reddish shift to it, but really what it ends up being is more of a, cause look, even on my finger, it looks like it's going to be more teal, right? But then when you actually put it on and swatch it, it's like, oh no, that looks more brown, like a reddish brown with a teal shift to it. So I do have it on my eyes today, and if you put it on with a fluffy brush, it mostly just looks brown. If you pack it on, use some sort of liquid, you know, that kind of a thing, use your finger, then you can get more of that wonderful shift to it to get that little bit of teal. Also, FYI, their single shadows are like $9 or something. This is just a sample size, but their single shadows are like $9, and this is an exact dupe for Urban Decay's Solstice, I think it's called, which I actually own. So when I got this, I was like, hey, wait a minute, I know this eyeshadow. And Urban Decay's eyeshadows are like $18 each or something crazy. So this is really fun, and it is a beautiful color. It blends out really nicely. The quality of the eyeshadow seems to be great. This is my first full day of actually wearing it, so I don't know about the longevity of it, but so far applying it, I thought it was beautiful, and I think it looks really nice. So also on my eyes today is this blush from DOUCCE. This is in the shade RSVP, and I do have several other products from DOUCCE that I've gotten as samples from IPSY, blushes and eyeshadows and whatnot, and I really do like their products. And this one, it's a matte. I think it's matte. It looks matte to me. Yeah, I think it's a matte. A matte blush, and it's just this really pretty pink color. It's like a petal pink, I want to call it, but it's kind of bright. It's a little more on the cool tone. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful color, and I am wearing it today, and I just think it's really lovely. I think this would look awesome on fairer skin tones. It shows up on me and I like it, but it's like riding that fine line of, I don't know, it might be too fair for me, but so far I like it. And I did use it today, and I think, you know, in the winter months, it will be really lovely. And DOUCCE has great quality products. I like everything that I've ever gotten from them. So I was really happy with that. And like I said, I used it as eyeshadow today too. I have it like in my crease and blended up, and then I have the IBY Fire and Ice packed on my lid. Okay, so I liked my bag this month. What did you guys think of your bags? Or what was your least favorite product or your favorite product? I always love hearing from you, so definitely leave me comments and let me know what you thought this month. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!